Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to update Chrome on your mobile device. First, open your device's App Store, either the Google Play Store for Android or the Apple App Store for iOS. Next, use the search bar to find Google Chrome. It's important to select the official application from Google to ensure you're getting the correct and secure version. This initial step sets you up for a smooth update process. Once you've found the Google Chrome app, tap on its listing to go to its dedicated page. Here, you'll see either an Update button or an Open button. If Update is visible, it means a newer version of Chrome is ready for installation. If you only see Open, congratulations, your Chrome browser is already running the latest version, and no action is needed. To proceed with the update, simply tap the Update button. Your device will then start downloading the new version of Chrome. The installation will follow automatically once the download is complete. It's a good idea to have a stable Wi-Fi connection during this process to prevent any interruptions and ensure the update finishes quickly and correctly. This usually takes just a few moments. Once the update is finished, tap Open to launch your newly updated Chrome browser. To confirm the update, go to Chrome Settings, then find About Chrome to view the current version number. This ensures you're running the latest features and security enhancements. Also, check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Keeping your browser updated is crucial for security and performance, so make sure to do this regularly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.